Snapper high vac. This is it right here. Briggs & Stratton Magnetron. Briggs & Stratton Max. I guess that's the engine. Yeah, I got this off Craigslist for 40 bucks. But, I don't know, we have an oil leak. It's leaking, I don't know how, underneath. And we're taking a compression test here with it, and I don't know, not working that well though. Control panel. Now look at this now. See that? The handle doesn't go down. And I imagine you have to pull this up to start it. When I got it, somebody had this rope right here tied. Well, it was like they had it like this. That's how it was. I don't know, and now it doesn't go back down. In fact, it doesn't even seem like this cable is doing anything. I don't know. Also, another interesting thing, this stuff was on there. I don't know what this blue stuff is. It was on that cable right there. I mean, hose right there for the gas line. Somebody put on a shutoff valve, and they had this blue crap all over it, and it fell off. I opened it up, and it came right out. So something else I have to work on. You know, the air filter, took it off. It had dry oil on it. I don't know what's going on. I really don't. I don't know what this blue stuff is, or why somebody would put that on, or why they would even add a gas valve onto this. Man. Snapper. It's 3.5 horsepower. It's got self-propelled. I don't know if it's working right or not. With my luck, it probably doesn't work. Yeah. Well, it doesn't seem to be working that well, of course. It's not moving much. Maybe it has to be running. I don't know. I can't run it now. There we go. It doesn't look too bad. Transmission. That seems to work. This engine, I don't know. Don't know what's wrong with that, and I don't know if we can free this cable up or not. As far as the oil leak, your guess is as good as mine. But I thought it was pretty good for 40 bucks. Fort Worth, Texas. Made in USA. Have the, yep. We tried this compression, and I don't know, it didn't seem to have enough on it. Here's the carb filter. I don't know. I'm actually considering just switching this engine out and putting a bigger engine on there. It's only 3.5 horse, but I don't know. I haven't really decided yet. Throttle. Well, that's the snapper. Alright guys, see you later. I'll give you an update if I can get this thing started. Or, well, actually I had it started, but it just quit all of a sudden. And it shot white smoke out of that muffler. Interesting looking muffler. Yeah, anyways, hopefully I'll get this running again. And I'll let you all know if I can. Alright guys, see you later.